When I speak to customers, what I hear is that the bottleneck isn't the model anymore. The models are incredibly capable. They can do so much more than what we're already using them for. Really, the bottleneck is in security and trust in the technology. Cohere, we're a large language model provider specifically focused on enterprises and particularly on critical industries. Financial services, healthcare, telecom, the government, they are the bedrock of our economy, and they have to have access to AI in a completely secure way. With Cohere, you don't need to trust us.
So at the end of the day, they have sovereignty over that model. It's running in their data center or their VPC. They control it. We can't switch it off. We can't see the data that's going through it. We've been working with CoreWeave for a few years now, really, in multiple generations of models we've trained on CoreWeave, going back to, I think, initially H100s from NVIDIA was the first hardware generation, and then we've transitioned onto GB200s. Getting early access to those was crucial in terms of being able to accelerate our modeling programs, and now we're working with CoreWeave on Vera Rubin. AI is an extremely fast-moving business. We're moving very fast. We move at startup pace, so we expect our collaborators to move at startup pace as well, and we find that with CoreWeave.
We were able to achieve some pretty incredible results, one of the most notable being tripling our training performance together. And that was in partnership with both CoreWeave and NVIDIA, optimizing that training stack, writing custom kernels, and delivering a product that beat everything else in the market.
It's one thing to put a whole lot of GPUs in a warehouse and turn them on. It's another to be able to administer them well in such a way that they're reliable, they're robust, they can run giant training jobs, that when they fail, that can be addressed without interrupting things. These clusters cost millions and millions to run, so any downtime is hugely expensive.
What's so unique about the Cohere-CoreWeave relationship is the pace, the performance, and the partnership that we've been able to establish together. And we produce something incredible as a result. Day by day, as society depends more and more on AI, we need to ensure that we protect data, that we have resilient options, and that our infrastructure is protected and stays up and running. Because at this point, it's becoming an essential component of every piece of day-to-day life.